Hello student, welcome to online class. I am Mrs. SD from LPM Public School, Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. I hope all of you have spent your holiday very well. So, welcome back to your online class of class 5 English. This is the revisional video of chapter 1st of class 5 subject English. The name of the first chapter is Oliver Finds a Home. As we have studied before in April the story, so here in short I will explain you the same story as a revision. So let's see what is given in the story. As you know, this is the story of a boy whose name is Oliver. So without any delay, let's see the chapter. As I have told you before also, this is an extract from a famous novel, Oliver Twist. And here the story is also the boy whose name is Oliver. His full name is Oliver Twist, and the novel from which this story is taken, that is also Oliver Twist. It is a short part of the novel which we call as an extract from the novel. Here, the boy Oliver, who is an orphan, it means he has no parents, no father, no mother. And he is living on an orphanage from where he ran away from the orphanage. You know, the orphanage is a place where orphan children live. But there he is ill-treated, so he ran away from the place and land in a den of thieves. The thieves take the Oliver to rob a house, but are stopped by the servant. They run away, leaving the wooden Oliver behind, and the servant take him into the house. What happened then? Let's see in the story. Here, Mrs. Marley and the Rose were waiting anxiously for the doctor to arrive. They were talking to each other. I hear the carriage pulled up. That must be Dr. Losbren. This is a short story in the form of dialogues. Here, with the help of pictures, the dialogues are given. These two ladies were talking to each other and they were waiting for the doctor to arrive. In the next picture, oh please, you will come up straight to look at the poor things. Here, one of the ladies is talking to the doctor who has just arrived at the door, and she asks him to go upstairs to see the poor things. What is the poor things? Let's see. The doctor said, perhaps Giles can lend me to the room where he is resting. It means he asks her to let him go to the room where he is resting. It means the poor boy is resting. The next is the doctor stays in the patient room for a long time and asks for a few things. Both the ladies take the doctor to the patient room, and it is the room of Oliver, where the Oliver is resting because he was wooden, and so doctor has come here for the treatment. Doctor asks the servant to bring some warm water and some clean sheet to clean up and for the treatment. At last the doctor returned to the dining room and speak to the lady. After the treatment, the doctor returned again to the dining room and he talked to the ladies. First, the lady said that I hope he is not in danger. In reply, the doctor said, "No, Mrs. Marley, he will be well again in a week or two." It means the boy will be all right in a week or a 2 weeks. After that, the doctor asked, "Have you seen the thieves?" The ladies had not seen the thieves at when they entered the room. They start in surprise. They, why, he is mere child. This poor child cannot be a thief. These three persons come to the boy's room to see him, and they were very surprised to see the boy that he is looking very innocent and he must not be a thief. Oh, the poor things. Auntie, don't let them send the boy to prison. Miss Rose said that he asked her auntie not to take him to the prison. Then the doctor said that let us discuss this to the next room. We should not wake up. It means we shouldn't disturb the boy. Let him take the rest. All the three of them discussed the matter in whisper. It means they were talking very slowly about the boys, and they said that we should listen to what he has to say. If he is innocent, then we can help him. If he is guilty, we should be handed over to the police. It means they all decided if the boy will be innocent, then they will help him, or otherwise they will hand over to the police. In the evening, when Oliver woke up, he was tired, but he was also need to tell his story. It means he want to tell his story to the ladies. He told all the story to both the ladies, and then the ladies were moved by the story of Oliver's unhappy life. They are feeling very sorry about the boy, and they decided to save him. Miss Rose said that we must not let the police to take him away. So they make a plan and they ready to save him. Miss Marley said that I would not harm one hair of his head. We must prepare the servant for when the police arrive. It means they ask their servant to not to talk about the boy. Soon the police arrived for the inquiry about the robbery. But what happened there? The robbers were two evil-looking men. This was told by the servant to the police. And I hope you will find these men and punish them. This is told by the another person of the home. In this way, they didn't talk about the Oliver, that he is also with them. In this way, they have saved the boy. The police believed the servant and left Oliver in peace. Miss Marley and Rose took wonderful care of Oliver. In this way, the boy started staying with both the ladies at their home. Every morning, Oliver went to an old gentleman who taught him how to read and write. It means he also got a good teacher for his study. Today we will read from page 14 onward. Here the teacher is teaching him the lesson in this picture. The next picture shows that, and each night Oliver slept peacefully in a clean bed of his own. It means every night he sit very peacefully of his own clean bed, and in this way he has passed his 3 months of his life, and these months were the very perfect happiness of Oliver's Twist life. This is the story how Oliver find a new home for himself. I hope all of you have understood the story. Here in this story, Oliver is an orphanage boy who run away from the orphanage and meet to the thieves and by lucky Miss Marley and Rose save him. They make his treatment and at last he start staying with her. Also, in this way he also get a teacher for his study and he spent his life peacefully at their home. So dear student, this is the revision video of this chapter. I hope you have understood. In the next video we will discuss about the question answers of this chapter and the other book exercises. Till then, stay home and stay safe. Goodbye.